The carb-free diet. Carbohydrates are also very important in controlling blood sugar levels and in preventing the development of ketosis. It happens in the blood and the brain when fatty acids are destroyed by the body. There are many myths about dieting that have led to the rise of carb-free diets. One of these is that your body doesn't need carbs. In fact, as a nutrient, carbs are very essential for the proper functioning of the brain. Also, they are often processed into sugar by the body. If you are planning on losing weight fast, then decreasing the number of carbohydrates that you consume can help. But, this should not be done suddenly and should not be done on a complete carb-free diet. There are also various low-carb vegetables that can be rotated into a diet that is low in fat and calories. Some of these include redundant vegetables such as Brussels sprouts, parsley, dill, and fennel are also low in fat and calories. By following a low-carb or a carb-free diet, you are putting yourself in serious trouble. The effects of these diets include nausea, vomiting, dizziness, and fatigue. Carbohydrates are the main sources of fuel for the body. They are important for the proper functioning of the body. However, if you avoid them, the body begins using proteins to regulate its processes. The media has played a huge role in pushing the idea that all carbohydrates are bad. The processed carbohydrates in processed food have been stripped of their nutrients. This is the main reason why people gain weight and overeat. Unfortunately, some carbohydrates are bad for you. However, they are essential to your diet and can cause long-term damage to your body. Are carb-free meals the best choice to decrease your carbs? There are many experts that agree that it is not necessary to aim for a diet that consists of carbs to lose weight. Even though whole grains are full of fiber, they are not complete and do not digest fully. This is why it is important to consume more fiber from fruits and vegetables, as it can help keep your body full and prevent heart disease. Good carbs are fuel for our bodies and are the key to losing weight. The key is to find good carbs that are low in calories and high in fiber. This fiber helps to digest nutrients and minerals and helps to ward off type 2 diabetes. It can also help lower blood pressure and improve digestion. White rice and potato are good sources of energy. They are low in sugar and have little fiber. Paleo diets and protein and natural carbs are the best ways to lose weight and improve your health. A balanced meal plan with good fats and protein will help you reach your goals. Day 1 of a low-carb diet plan should start with a firm decision. You can start by choosing which low-carb diet plan will work for you. On the first day of your low-carb diet plan, decide which plan you want to follow and how it will work for you. Preparing for day 2 of your low-carb diet plan involves organizing and planning. Most low-carb diet plans don't allow people to have certain food in the first few weeks. However, you can gradually add those foods back in later. Then, list the meals and snacks that you will be eating for the next week. These are the steps that will help you get started with a low-carb diet plan. Day 3 of your low-carb diet plan is when you will start to change the way you eat. This is also when you will start feeling more committed to the plan. Day 3 of a low-carb diet plan is a good time to prepare some healthy food that's easy to prepare. The next couple of days might not be the best for starting a low-carb diet plan. You might start experiencing sugar and starch cravings, nausea, and headaches. After a few days, you'll be happy to have picked a low-carb diet plan. It will help you feel more energetic, and it will prevent you from gaining weight. Looking for the secret formula for burning fat? Click below.